Hello. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode, calendar, but mostly number talk. Yesterday was the wonderful May 4th, which makes today May 5th. So get your pencils ready and let's write May 5th, 2020 on our papers. May, easy, A, 5th, 2020. And yesterday we talked about May being the 5th month of the year. January, February, March, April, May. 5, 20. Or 2020. Depends on what you like to write. Either one is perfectly fine. And today's number is 25. So we have 5, 20, and then today's number 25. So put 25 in the middle of your paper and circle it. I have a feeling that we're going to close all of our tallies today. If you can count by 5 to 25, you know that's true. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 groups of 5 today. So let's draw first our 3 10 frames. That's right, 3, because we are on our way to filling to make 30. We haven't gotten there quite yet. We've only done 25. As you draw your 10 frames, I want you to think to yourself, what is half of 10? How many squares do we need to fill the top row of our 10 frame? 5 plus 5, a doubles fact, equals 10. So if I have 25, I should know that I filled half my frame almost to 30, 25. I'm halfway through the third frame. I can write my dots super quick in here. I don't need to spend forever because I know 2 groups of 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 2 groups of 10 with 5 left over. When you write your 10s and 1s, I want you to always look at your 10 frames. Think how many groups of 10 do you have? 2. And how many leftovers? Your 1, never forget, is always what you have left over. We have 5 left over. I know that this is right because it matches my original number. Now we already talked about our tallies, so you know you need 5 groups of 5 to make 25. I've raced you the last couple days, so let's see if you can get to 25 before me. But make sure you're only putting 5 in each group. Otherwise, it does not count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We did it. We closed that last group. And now we have to write 25. I realized yesterday that we forgot that part. And I hope that you took the time and were like, Miss W., Miss Griffin, you forgot to write 24. So today you know that you have to write 25. It's just 20 space 5. If you've written both words before, so you shouldn't have any problem spelling. 20, T-W, twa, E-N, twen, T-Y, 5. See how it's just 20 plus 5. There's no new names for numbers here. We've already written both, so 25. When you're ready, we can start our addition problems, our addition problems and start with 1. I hope you've been looking for patterns and practicing subtraction. 1 plus something equals 25. I know, I just have to think what number comes before 25. And I know, because I'm a smart kid, that it's 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. That's for sure true. But what about 2? 2 plus what equals 25? I can count backwards. 25, 24, 23. Notice how I only took away 2. 23. 23 plus 2 equals 25. I see 24. I see 23, which makes me start wondering, what is my problem going to be when I have 3's? 3 plus what equals 25? 25, count back. 24, 23, 22. 22 plus 3 equals 25. Now, if you're at home and you're ever bored and you're like, man, I've got nothing to do, I need you to take some time practicing counting backward. You can count forward, no problem, from 1 to 100, I'm sure of it. But can you count backwards from 100? If you get stuck at a spot, check your work, find a hundredths chart or draw one. Draw your own hundredths chart. Practice counting backward. That's your new job. Now, I'll do one more, but then you're on your own for 5, 6, and 7. 4 plus something equals 25. So if I take 25, and I've been practicing counting backwards, 24, 23, 22, 21. 4 plus 21 equals 25. 21 plus 4 equals 25. And I can look at my pattern. 24, 23, 22, 21. So you should find 5, 6, and 7's pretty easy. Go practice counting backwards and finding the next in our pattern. You can do it, mathematicians.